Hello, and welcome to the English Learning Podcast. I am so happy you are here today. This is your safe place to learn. We focus on real American English for beginners. Today, we are going to learn something very important. We are going to learn how to ask for directions on the street. Imagine you are in a new city. Maybe you are in New York. Maybe you are in Los Angeles. You want to find a coffee shop, or maybe a train station. But you do not know where to go. You feel a little nervous. That is okay. It is normal to feel nervous when you speak a new language. But today, I will help you. We will practice easy English phrases together. By the end of this lesson, you will feel ready to ask anyone for help. In this episode, we will listen to slow English conversations. We will practice important words. You will hear a native English speaker use these words in real situations. This is the best way to improve. You do not need to study grammar rules today. Just listen. Relax. Let your ears get used to the sound of English. This is English listening practice designed just for you. Getting lost happens to everyone. Even native speakers get lost. The important thing is knowing how to ask. Excuse me, where is the bank? Excuse me, how do I get to the park? These are simple questions. But they are powerful. They help you solve your problem. They help you speak confidently. So, take a deep breath. Let's start our journey into daily English conversation. Let's begin with the most important phrase. When you want to talk to a stranger on the street, you must be polite. In American culture, we always start with, "Excuse me." Say it with me. Excuse me. Excuse me is a magic phrase. It tells the other person, "Hello, I have a question, please help me." It is not rude. It is very polite. After you say, "Excuse me," you need to ask your question. There are two very common ways to ask for directions. The first way is, "Where is the?" For example, "Where is the supermarket?" or "Where is the bus stop?" The second way is, "How do I get to?" For example, "How do I get to the train station?" or "How do I get to the city center?" Both are correct. Both are perfect for an English podcast for beginners like this one. Now, let's talk about the answers. When you ask a question, the person will give you directions. You need to understand these words. Here are the most common direction words. First, go straight. This means do not turn. Just keep walking forward. Go straight down this street. Second, turn left and turn right. Left is this way. Right is that way. Turn left at the corner. Turn right at the light. Third, it is on the corner. The corner is where two streets meet. Many shops are on the corner. Fourth, next to. This means beside. The bank is next to the pharmacy. Fifth, across from. This means on the other side of the street. The park is across from the school. Let's imagine a situation. You are looking for a library. You stop a person on the street. You say, "Excuse me, where is the library?" The person says, "Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left. It is on the right, next to the post office." Did you catch that? Go straight. Turn left. It is on the right. Next to the post office. This is real American English. It is simple, but it is fast if you are not ready. That is why we practice slow English here. We want you to catch every word. Another useful phrase is it far? If you are walking, you need to know distance. Is it far? The answer might be, no, it is close. It is just 5 minutes away. Or, yes, it is far. You should take a bus. Sometimes, you might not understand the answer. That is okay. Do not panic. You can say, "Can you speak slowly, please?" or, can you say that again? Native speakers are usually happy to help. They will slow down for you. We are building your vocabulary step by step. Remember, you are listening to a native English speaker. My goal is to make you comfortable. You are doing a great job just by listening. Listening is the key to speaking. Now, it is time for us to practice together. I want you to open your mouth and speak. I will say a phrase. Then, I will be quiet. In the quiet time, you repeat the phrase. Say it out loud. If you are on the bus or train, you can say it quietly to yourself. But speaking is important. Are you ready? Let's try. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can you help me? Can you help me? I am lost. I am lost. Where is the bank? Where is the bank? Where is the nearest subway station? Where is the nearest subway station? How do I get to the park? How do I get to the park? I am looking for the post office. I am looking for the post office. Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Is it near here? Is it near here? Can I walk there? Can I walk there? Go straight. Go straight. Go straight for 2 blocks. Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right at the traffic light. Turn right at the traffic light. It is on the corner. It is on the corner. It is across from the hotel. It is across from the hotel. It is next to the coffee shop. It is next to the coffee shop. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can you say that again, please? Can you say that again, please? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? I understand now. I understand now. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Great job. Really great job. I know it can feel strange to talk to a podcast. But this repetition helps your brain. It helps your mouth muscles remember the shapes of the words. This is how you master daily English conversation. Do not worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. Just keep practicing. Now, let's use all these words in a story. This is a story about a man named Tom. Tom is visiting New York City for the first time. He wants to see a famous museum. But Tom has a problem. His phone battery is dead. He cannot use his map app. He has to ask for directions. Listen carefully. I will tell the story slowly. Try to imagine Tom in your mind. It is a sunny morning in New York. The streets are busy. There are yellow taxis everywhere. People are walking fast. They are drinking coffee and talking on their phones. Tom is standing on a busy street corner. He looks at the tall buildings. He feels small. Tom puts his hand in his pocket. He pulls out his phone. Oh no! The screen is black. His battery is dead. He sighs. He really wants to go to the art museum. He knows it is nearby, but he does not know which way to go. Tom takes a deep breath. He looks around. He sees a woman waiting for the bus. She looks friendly. She is holding a cup of coffee. Tom walks over to her. Excuse me, Tom says. The woman turns. She smiles. Hi. Can I help you? Yes, please, Tom says. I am a little lost. I am looking for the art museum. Do you know where it is? The woman nods. Oh, yes. The art museum is very close. It is a beautiful museum. Tom feels relieved. That is good. How do I get there? The woman points down the street. Okay. Listen carefully. First, go straight down this street. Go for 3 blocks. Tom repeats in his head, go straight. 3 blocks. Then, the woman says, you will see a big park. Turn left at the park. Turn left at the park. Walk past the library, she continues. The museum is across from the library. It is a big white building with steps. You cannot miss it. Tom smiles. Okay. Let me check. Go straight 3 blocks. Turn left at the park. It is across from the library. Exactly, the woman says. It is about a 10-minute walk. Is it difficult to find? Tom asks. No, it is very easy, she says. Just look for the big white columns. Thank you so much, Tom says. You saved me. My phone died. You are welcome, the woman says. Enjoy the museum. Have a nice day. You too. Tom waves goodbye. Tom starts walking. He walks 1 block. He walks 2 blocks. He walks 3 blocks. He sees the park. It is green and beautiful. He turns left. He walks a little more. He sees a building with books in the window. That must be the library. He looks across the street. There it is. A big white building. The art museum. Tom feels proud. He asked for directions in English. He understood the answer. And he found the museum without his phone. This story shows you that you can do it too. Tom was nervous, but he tried. The woman was helpful. Most people are helpful. When you travel, or when you live in a new city, do not be afraid to ask. Using English listening practice like this gives you the tools you need. Let's think about the story again. What did Tom say? He said, excuse me. He said, I am looking for the art museum. He repeated the directions to check. This is a very good strategy. If someone gives you directions, repeat them back. Say, so, I turn left at the park. This helps you remember. It also lets the other person correct you if you are wrong. Remember the key words from Tom's story, blocks. In American cities, streets divide the city into squares called blocks. Walk 3 blocks means walk past 3 streets. Across from. The museum was on the other side of the street from the library. You cannot miss it. This is a common phrase. It means the place is very easy to see. It is big or obvious. We are coming to the end of our lesson today. You have done excellent work. You listened to vocabulary. You practiced speaking. You listened to a story. This is how you build real American English skills. I have a small homework assignment for you. Don't worry, it is easy. Next time you are outside, look at your neighborhood. Try to give yourself directions in English. For example, walk out of your door. Say to yourself, I go straight. I turn left at the corner. The supermarket is on my right. Do this in your head. Or whisper it. Describe your journey to the store, or to work, or to school. Use the words, straight, left, right, next to, across from. This simple practice will help you think in English. Thank you for listening to the English Learning Podcast. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to the channel. It helps us make more free lessons for you. We want to be your favorite English podcast for beginners. Remember, learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself. Listen to this episode again tomorrow. Repetition is the secret to success. You are getting better every day. I am proud of you. Keep listening. Keep practicing. And I will see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.